Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and placement because reliable power equals consistent triggers. First, remove any protective film and insert batteries or connect to mains. Observe polarity. Then mount the unit 6 to 10 feet high aimed at the area you want monitored. This ensures the sensor sees motion rather than ground disturbance. Once done, power on and watch the indicator LED. It tells you the sensor is active. Make sure to test with a slow walk to validate the initial detection arc. Now adjust sensitivity and timing so the light responds correctly. Turn sensitivity down if cars or pets cause false triggers or up if the zone is wide. This controls detection range and reduces nuisance. Next, set the time on duration, short for quick passes, longer for sustained activity, to conserve power and improve usability. Also configure the lux or day/night threshold so the light stays off in daylight. Once configured, perform multiple tests at different distances and angles to confirm reliable activation. Finish by doing final verification and a simple troubleshooting check. Walk the entire approach path at night and from varied angles to ensure consistent triggering. This verifies real-world performance. If the light flickers, delays, or doesn't turn on, replace batteries or check the power connection. Weak power causes intermittent operation. Finally, inspect surroundings. Heat sources, HVAC exhaust, or swaying branches can cause false triggers, so reposition or add shields. If problems persist, reset settings and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.